Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop apps from running in the background on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm on my Samsung Galaxy. The first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app on your phone. The first thing we need to do from your settings is make sure developer options or developer mode is enabled. To be able to do that, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. And you can see there's no option for developer mode. It's hidden within About Phone. So tap on About Phone, and then we're going to tap on Software Information. Now, again, there's no developer option in here. To be able to enable it, for whatever reason, they decided to hide it behind the build number. So we're going to tap on build number 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After I've done that, all I need to do is enter in my PIN to unlock my phone. And then it says allow development settings. Let's hit the OK button. Now we've turned on developer mode on your Samsung phone. Let's access it just by tapping on the back arrow and then back again. If we scroll down, there's developer options. For whatever reason, again, they haven't named this very easily. There's no option that says all of the background running apps. However, you can find it in 2 different places. The first place that you can find it is if you scroll down, we're going to choose running services. And this shows you all of the apps that are taking up memory. You can see free memory, system, apps memory. In this case, let's say Instagram. I can just tap on it and hit stop if I wanted to prevent that from running in the background. However, there's another step that we can take to make sure all of these processes aren't taking up space and basically memory in the background. What we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to scroll down. You can see it's a super long list. We're going to scroll down towards the bottom here and look for the option that says background process limit. You can see here a standard limit, but we want to set this to no background processes. This will prevent any app from running in the background and taking up memory while using your Samsung phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.